Welcome to Berthold Technology's Bioanalytical General Maintenance video series. This video will illustrate our Mithras, the LB940. This multi-mode microplate reader is unique in its versatility, reliability, and sensitivity. It offers the biggest choice of reading technologies combined with up to 4 reagent injectors and temperature control. Our jet injectors are the easiest and most controlled method of injecting reagent. However, they must be cleaned. The following tutorial will demonstrate the proper procedure for cleaning the injectors on the Mithras LB940. This Mithras will have 4 injectors and a waste pump. If your instrument does not have a waste pump, please refer to our video, Injector Cleaning No Waste Pump. Service technician Tim Jordan will now demonstrate the proper cleaning procedure for our jet injectors.
Hello, my name is Tim Jordan. I'm service technician with Berthold Technologies in the United States. Today we'll talk about cleaning injectors. The instrument is a Mithras LB940 and we'll use this as an example for cleaning injectors. Okay. This particular model has a waste pump. This model has 4 injectors. The first 3 injectors are positioned directly over the PMT microplate. The 4th injector is positioned away from the waste pump. Cleaning the injectors daily is very important, and you use DI water. And you're basically going into the software, you're going to set up 30 wash cycles, and you're going to run this wash cycle 3 times for a total of 90 injections. Once a week, we recommend changing over from DI water to 70% ethanol. Run 2 wash sets, allow it to sit for an hour, come back, wash 2 more wash sets using ethanol to flush out the system, and then change back over to water and run 1 or 2 wash sets to remove the alcohol. 90% of the problems we see with the instruments that come through our office are related to improper cleaning of injectors. This can cause a host of problems. What I have here is injector 1, 2, and 3. The reagent tubing is in a large bottle of water, DI water. The tubing is connected to the injector. You have a bung, rubber bung that fits into the reagent bottle, and you have a reagent filter. It's important to check this filter weekly. There's a micro filter inside this plastic housing. You want to make sure that this is pristine white. If you do not clean the injectors properly, air will crystallize the reagent inside this filter and clog it. It'll flow down your volume. Fluid goes through the injector, through tubing, into the pipettes inside the instrument. If the injectors are not properly cleaned, air will mix with the reagent that's left in the filter and the pipette and start to crystallize. This can create problems. On this end, it will restrict the flow of fluid. On the pipette side, it will cause the pipette from going from a stream of fluid to a spray, and this collects on the instrument. Cleaning the injectors daily is very important, and you use DI water. And you're basically going into the software, you're going to set up 30 wash cycles, and you're going to run this wash cycle 3 times for a total of 90 injections. Once a week, we recommend changing over from DI water to 70% ethanol. Run 2 wash sets, allow it to sit for an hour, come back, wash 2 more wash sets using ethanol to flush out the system, and then change back over to water and run 1 or 2 wash sets to remove the alcohol. Once your cleaning procedure has finished, you'll need to run the unload option, which reverses the pump and pushes the fluid out. So what you want to do is take a cloth. Once your cleaning procedure is completed, you'll remove your reagent tubing, wrap them in a cloth. Once you have your injector tubing in a paper towel, go to the software, run the unload injector function, set it for 13 cycles, and run this one time. Now your instrument is ready to power off and put away for the day. This covers the hardware portion of this video. The next segment will cover setting up the software and operating it.
The Berthold plate reader, model LB940 Mithras, cleaning the injectors. Assuming you have already placed the reagent tubing into a large container of clean DI water, we will begin. Click Instrument, click Wash, and the first thing you need to do is set your wash cycles or injections to 30. This particular model has 4 injectors and a waste pump. Your model may not have a waste pump installed, and a separate video will cover this procedure. We have selected the first 3 injectors, which are positioned over the waste pump. The 4th injector is positioned away from the waste pump, and a different procedure is used to clean the injectors, in which we will cover later. Click Next. The plate holder will move into position. In this screen, allows you to place the reagent tubing into the wash solution. Click Next. The injectors will start working.
Now that you've seen the hardware and the software operations for cleaning injectors on the Mithras, this ends this portion of the video. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me at the address given.
Thank you for viewing our How to Clean the Mithras Reagent Injectors video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you require any additional information, please feel free to email us at berthold-us@berthold.com. Thank you.